Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find specifications of our Samsung Galaxy S22. Where are our specifications? Our memory, our storage, etc., etc., the number, the model of our phone. Where to find this information? A few places. First of all, settings. At the bottom of the screen we have about phone. Here we have our IMEI numbers, our model name, serial numbers, etc. Also, in battery and device care, we have our storage and memory, and battery, of course. And these are the basic specifications of our phone. That's it. I hope the video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.